Let's start the lab. Debug Apps on Google Kubernetes Engine. Just click this start symbol. The lab got started. Just click on this and open the incognito mode. Click on I understood. Click on agree and continue. Now click on activate the cloud shell. Okay. Click on continue. Authorize. Now it's simple. Just go back to our lab. Okay. In the lab. Okay. I have provided a GitHub link. Go back to that GitHub link. Open that GitHub link and copy this export zone. Okay. Go back over here. Now paste export zone. Now go back to the lab and enter Control F and search for zone. That's it. Now we can see here US4 East 4B. Okay, go back to the lab and enter that. Enter. Now go back to the GitHub link again. Okay, now copy this second link. Okay, go back to the lab. Just click on enter. That's it. Now enter the zone again. Okay, go back to the lab. Now copy this. Okay, go back to this. Enter. Now you can see within 2 minutes the lab got executed. Okay, go back to the lab. Now check on here score. Just click on this both. You'll get the 100 out of 100. That's it. Lab was completed. If you like my video and if the solution works, kindly comment the solution is working with the date. Thank you so much.